Hi, it's Linda from Homeschooling 6, and today I have an item that came from Easy Grammar Systems. This is a homeschool review crew item, so I will have a full review for y'all, but I just wanted to do a little unboxing of the item. So it comes with some like flyer here with their products. And I think this is a magnet. Easy Grammar System, measuring up to your standards. Look at that, that's pretty neat. It's a magnet. I'm pretty sure it's a magnet. 1 gallon, 16 cups, and so forth. Pretty neat. I will be putting that up on my fridge. And then the book. Look at this massive book. It's Easy Grammar Plus. That's pretty thick. So this one, it has the reviews, test, cumulative reviews, and cumulative test. And this one is the teacher edition, so it has the student page on the right and the teacher right here, all the answers on the left. So yeah, just a quick little look at. So we'll be getting started with this tomorrow. So there you go. Easy Grammar Systems, Teacher Edition. So have you used Easy Grammar? And if so, let me know in the comments. What are your thoughts? Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.